Hey guys, today I'm starting my fall craft DIY series and I'm going to show you how to make this floating apple art. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need are some faux apples or whatever fruit that you want to use. I got this little bag here from Fred's. I got a whole bunch, y'all, before they closed, the store closed. Anyway, you're also going to need a picture frame, a floating frame. I also got this from Fred's, but you can get this from Dollar Tree. They also carry them. A knife and some double-sided tape. So right here, I'm just taking off the packaging from the frame. It came with the hardware to hang it. It wasn't already, I guess, attached or whatever. So I'm just removing that and just showing you that it's a sawtooth hanger. And then I'm peeling off the stickers and everything. And I was so glad that they were easy to remove and I didn't have to do anything special to get them off. So that was a good thing. And now I'm going to disassemble so that I could get that piece of paper that's in between the glass out. It's one of those frames where you can actually sandwich something in between the glass, basically, but you can get the same effect from the frames from Dollar Tree where it's just a single piece of glass, like a floating, picture frame or whatever. And now I'm just cleaning it off, getting the dust and fingerprints off. And I'm just putting it back together. I'm not going to sandwich anything in between. I'm just putting it all back together. Okay, right now what I'm going to do is take a really sharp knife. This is one of my kitchen knives that I have, but be careful when you do this. And I'm just going to slice the apple in half. It's just a foam apple. It's like a foam ball basically that's been painted with a stem inserted in the middle. So again, I'm just taking a regular old kitchen knife and slicing it in half. You could use a utility knife or whatever you have, but make sure it's sharp and make sure that you're really, really careful. And you want to make a good clean pass all the way through because you want the two halves to be as flat as possible. And now what I'm going to do is lay out the pieces how I want them on the frame. And I'm laying the other half to the side so that I'll know which half goes with what half, if that makes sense, so that they will fit, together in the end. But yeah, I'm just lining them up to see how I want to have them displayed. And yeah, I'm just matching the other halves because I want it to look really neat and everything. And now I'm just taking a piece of double-sided tape because I don't want to glue or hot glue anything because I want to repurpose the frame. So I'm just using double-sided tape, and it's a really good sturdy double-sided tape. And I actually got it from Dollar Tree. I keep a roll of double-sided tape and just regular old tape on one of the little Dollar Tree tape holders or tape dispensers, should I say. And so it's really handy in the craft room. But this works really good if you want to repurpose a frame or your, whatever you're using. So yeah, and it's a good strong hold. And now I'm adjusting because I didn't have them quite centered. But yeah, now I'm going to flip it over. And they really look like little apples on the inside, believe it or not. But we're not even trying to look at that. We're just going to cover it up with the other half. But if you wanted to, you could probably paint the backside or whatever and make it look more like a faux apple that's been sliced and display it that way if you want. But I just wanted it to look like a floating apple. And again, I'm just adding just a tiny little piece of double-sided tape and matching things up. And I'm just removing some of the little stray pieces of foam. And that is pretty much it, y'all. I love how this turned out. Really cute. And you can use any type of faux fruit. You could use bigger pieces if you wanted to. It's totally on you. And here's how I displayed it in my guest bedroom on a nightstand. And I just love how it turned out. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.